Hello and welcome to Dokin. In this quick video, I will show you how easy it is to add Dokin to your Google account. Go to Extension, Add-on, Get Add-on. You will open the Google Workspace Marketplace. Search Dokin and you will find us right away. Click on the Install button, Continue, and select your Google account. And that's it. Now, the Dokin extension has been installed on all your documents. You need to refresh this page and go back to Extension. You will find the Dokin extension just right here. Click on Start when you are ready to start. And it's exactly the same for your Google Docs and Google Slide. Under Extension, just click on Get Add-on. Once installed, it will be available on all your docs and slides. And that's it. Now you're ready to start.